everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your Toyota Corolla door handles. And you can use this technique for any other Corollas. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Everyone, my Toyota Corolla S door handle got hit by a tree branch, and guess what happened? It ripped the door handle off. I was lucky it didn't fall on the car, so it was gonna create so much damage on the roof. But guess what? It snapped the door handle off like BAM! And guess what happened? I had to buy a replacement door handle. The thing is, when you buy a replacement door handle, it's gonna come in black. Okay, what you want to do, you want to put a primer and prime the door handle right here. I won't teach you how to spray it, and just read the direction. You need a primer, and then you need the perfect match. The thing is, look at that. You have to find the perfect match paint. It's like duplicates original Toyota color. So this is like the perfect match. I love this spray from Duplicate Color. It's like this is like absolute red. So, and then once you're done painting the door handle, you need to get a clear coat. So yeah, and if you work on the driver's side, which is this one, this is what you want to do. There is a cover here, circle cover, and I'll show it to you on this, on the passenger side. It will work on all the sides, okay? All Corolla has the same thing. What you want to do, you just have to take this thing off like that and get a torque screw and hit that one right there, and then you just loosen it and then pull it off. Got it? So what I did with the driver's side, I already did that. The same thing with the passenger side. It's the same, okay? So let's go to the driver's side. What I did, I removed this circle thing off, and then remove and then I loosen the bolt right there. And then what you want to do is you're gonna pull this piece off. Okay, before you paint this piece, you want to cover it with you need a masking tape, right? So you mask this part off. Okay, so you want paint over it. So now that we're done, we're gonna remove it. I'll be back. Hi everyone, when you loosen the bolt, you're gonna take this piece off, right? You take this, it will just release itself. And then the thing is about this part, you want to pull it backward, okay, like this, okay, the broken one. So what you want to do now, since I'm gonna put it on, this is the new one that I just painted. I mean, you can take it to a body shop. It's gonna cost you like at least $200 to $300. Can you believe that? So you can do it yourself. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's just a door handle, you know. And this piece will, the one with this bump, is gonna go right here. Okay, you need this what do you call that thing, the rubber part, to prevent water from going into the car. So, and then you have to put this part on this side. Okay. Hi everyone, it's a little bit hard, and so you just push it like that, and then make sure the gasket is, the gasket is fine. Don't lose that one. So, and then you want to push this one into the spot here. Like that. There you go. Now, hi everyone. Yeah, you have to line that bolt to the hole, of this locking piece. Oop. Don't lose your torque. And then you just have to close it. And you test it now. Close it. Pull it. There you go. Now, you just fix your Toyota Corolla door handle. I mean, it's not like 100% perfect if you take it to the body shop, but still, you just save yourself like $300. The paint This one is like 15, 15, and this one is really cheap. This is the primer. It's only like $8, so this one probably like $3. Yeah, this whole project is gonna cost you like $50 instead of paying like what, $300 to have a body shop, or $200. You just save yourself $150, and it looks fine. Look at that. Yeah, it's not like perfect, but it looks okay. You know, look at that. You can really tell from here. So yeah, that's how you fix your Toyota door handle. Anyway, make sure you guys click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, and love you guys. Bye.